Hello everyone, welcome to this week's weekly market view for Monday the 14th of November to Friday the 18th of November 2022. My name is Vishal. Let's get started. So let's start with the monthly chart of the Nifty, and let's load the monthly chart quickly. And here we can see that markets are coming closer and inching closer to the all-time high, which is creating a very exciting feeling in the market that we are trying to breach this all-time high. Now we have to be a little careful here because price has rejected this area on several occasions. It can reject again. We are actually into a very crucial level of supply, which I'm going to show you in a short while. सो यूजुअली क्या होता है कि जैसे ही मार्केट ऑल टाइम हाई की तरफ आता है कि यूफोरिया बन जाता है मार्केट में कि मार्केट अभी यहाँ से तेज़ी ही करेगा, बट इट इज़ नॉट नेसेसरी. सो वी गॉट टू बी अ लिटिल केयरफुल and we got to trade the levels as you see them on the chart. So the level in question is this area here, which I want to bring about. This is an area on the 60-minute chart created many days back, but it's a very important level of supply, and it is starting from 18,397 to 18,466. In last week's session, we had bought about this level on the daily chart. Now I'm just plotting this level on the intraday chart. And if I go to the right hand side of the chart, there have been several occasions where the price has come very close to this level and has given us huge moves from this area. Not just once, twice, thrice, and now look at where the prices are. Right? So today the price has just touched this 18,400 handle and prices have consolidated. This is all that the market has done today. What can we expect if this zone holds? We are expecting to see a potential turn in the market, and that turn possibly more or less could be to the downside. Okay, so all the long traders that have always been saying since many days that please be careful of long trades. You should not be buying in an area where supply exceeds demand, right? So you got to be a little careful. And can the price give us a good correction to the downside? Surely yes. What could be let's say a good level of demand where prices could give their possible correction, and let's mark that level here. And this is that level that I'm going to be keenly looking at, which is 17,981. Now prices have given us a brief test on two occasions, but there is a possibility that because this is an 18,000, which is a round number, we might expect to see another bounce. So हम क्या देख सकते हैं in the coming few days? We are more or less likely to see either the market breaching this level and then continuing its move up. But अगर ये level breach नहीं होता है और price अगर supply zone को hit करता है, then there is a very likely possibility that we might move into a more of a wider consolidation. So all the option traders who are looking for this kind of consolidation, if the market begins to trade in this consolidation, then maybe you can plan some non-directional strategies. Please keep in mind कि volatility जो है अभी बहुत ही low है. So don't try to do any kind of credit strategies in this market situation. If you are looking to do any non-directional debit strategies, that would be a good idea. And if your directionally bias is more bearish than bullish, then you can also do more or less some debit spreads which are attracting low volatility conditions, and that would be a better strategy to do in the current market situation. All right, let's now move on to the banking sector. So let's move on to Bank Nifty and let us look at some key levels on Bank Nifty. Compared to the Nifty, the Bank Nifty has been outperforming the Nifty. It has already made an all-time high, but what is now more crucial for the Bank Nifty is that after the market has made an all-time high, the market should be able to close significantly above the all-time high. तो ये जो candle है, ये monthly candle है, right? And we still have a few days to go for this monthly candle to close. अगर ये monthly candle bullish candle बन के ऑल टाइम हाई के ऊपर बंद होता है, then this area will more or less be your new area of demand to watch out for. और मुझे लगता है कि फिर अगर ये डिमांड क्रिएट होता है तो फिर बैंक निफ्टी को नीचे आना काफ़ी मुश्किल होगा, राइट. सो इट कैन कम डाउन टू अराउंड 39,500 ऑड लेवल्स, बट उसके बाद अगर वो यहाँ तक पुल बैक दिए तो फिर वो वापस ऊपर की तरफ जा सकता है, राइट. सो इट इज़ क्रूशियल फॉर अस टू सी नाउ कि ये जो कैंडल, अभी जो ग्रीन कैंडल बन रहा है चार्ट के ऊपर, क्या ये सस्टेन कर पाता है, एंड इज द मार्केट एबल टू क्लोज above the all-time high by the end of this month and close as a green candle. So this monthly close is going to be a very, very crucial level for Bank Nifty. So right now, the Bank Nifty bias as compared to the Nifty is going to be long bias, right? So we got to be a little careful with taking shots on the Bank Nifty, because if you try to short the Bank Nifty at the current market price scenario, market can easily pull up and try to close and start making new highs. All right, so just be careful on shorts on Bank Nifty. All right, let's move on to USDINR, and let's look at USDINR very, very carefully. Let's assess the key levels on USDINR. So हम लोग काफ़ी टाइम से ये मंथली लेवल के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. प्राइस ऑलरेडी इस जोन में आना चाह रहा है, ऑलरेडी साइंस दिखा रहा है कि प्राइस को यहाँ पे करेक्ट करना है. सो द यूजुअल कोरिलेशन बिटवीन निफ्टी एंड द USDINR इज कि अगर USDINR नीचे आने लगता है तो मार्केट जो है वो ऑटोमेटिकली ऊपर जाने लगता है. सो इट्स अ इनवर्स कोरिलेशन. बट अगर हम इंट्राडे चार्ट देखें, सो देयर हैव बीन सम सर्टेन important aspects that one needs to keep in mind and look at some key areas. So let's look at a key area here. So we had this level on 75 minutes chart. Let's quickly have a look at that level. The charts are loading, so we'll just wait. Okay, so if you look at this level, this is your 75 minutes zone on the USDINR. और अगर हम देखेंगे तो आज मार्केट सीधा गैप डाउन इस जोन में खुला, थोड़ा सा कंसोलिडेट किया, it went even further down, but it held on to the zone and the market now started to rise up. अगर कल USDINR गैप अप होता है, वेरी हाई चांसेस कि निफ्टी जो है वो गैप डाउन होगा, और फिर गैप डाउन होने के बाद फिर से वो कंसोलिडेट करेगा. So it's going to be a very, very crucial price point where we want to see the Bank Nifty gapping down and the USDINR gapping up. This supply will again be a very, very crucial supply for the USDINR. So it will be interesting to see how does price behave here, or how does price react in this supply zone, and will the price start turning down. And if the price starts turning down from this supply, then there are very high chances that Nifty and Bank Nifty will continue to rise up. So this area is going to be very, very crucial on the USDINR. Let's look at the sector for this week. So very interesting. I have bought in the FMCG sector. So let's talk a little bit about the FMCG sector. और अगर हम FMCG सेक्टर को देखें, सो पहले तो हम शुरुआत करेंगे FMCG मंथली चार्ट से. सो इफ यू लुक एट द मंथली चार्ट ऑफ FMCG, आफ्टर मूविंग एंड मेकिंग एन ऑल टाइम हाई, market has just been consolidating. Now usually this can consolidate into a rally base and a strong drop in price, or it can continue as a rally base rally in price. So we got to be a little careful right now. यहाँ पे एक डिमांड जोन है FMCG पे. सो हमें इस डिमांड जोन को थोड़ा सा सही तरीके से असेस करना पड़ेगा. एंड इफ़ यू लुक एट द अदर एरियाज ऑन द चार्ट, हियर वी कैन ऑलरेडी सी दैट FMCG has already created this supply zone. Prices are reacting from this supply zone. ये जो पूरा एरिया है ये काफ़ी मोर और लेस फिल्ड ऑर्डर्स वाला एरिया है. सो इफ़ दिस सप्लाई जोन होल्ड्स, idea is that prices will not have a hard time in going towards the next level of demand. So this level of demand, which is not a very high quality of level of demand, यहाँ पे एक है जो कि गैप लेवल है 43,189 से 42,923 तक. ओके, बट अगर हम अच्छी तरह से असेस करें तो ये भी डिमांड काफ़ी अच्छा डिमांड है 41,112. It is slightly below the current market price, but हो सकता है कि अगर मार्केट यहाँ से वीक हो तो FMCG सेक्टर भी थोड़ा बहुत वीक हो सकता है. Let's look at the stock for the week. The idea is Hindustan Unilever. It also belongs to the FMCG sector, and we are going to assess a very, very important area on that chart. We are actually going to look at two levels. We are going to be looking at a long opportunity also on Hindustan Unilever, and we are going to look at it with a short opportunity also. So अगर हम long opportunity की बात करें, so Hindustan Unilever has a demand zone on the 75 minutes or 60 minutes chart, and this is the demand zone from 2406 to 2368. Now you can see very closely over here that there is all this price action that has taken place, but यहाँ पे प्राइस ने थोड़ा कम समय बिता के एक अच्छा सा प्राइस मूव ऊपर की तरफ दिया है. सो आर एक्सपेक्टेंसी है कि अगर प्राइस इस डिमांड जोन में अगर आता है, then we are more or less likely to see a bounce. But because now market is reacting from a higher time frame supply, we may not expect a bigger bounce. यानी कि हो सकता है कि मार्केट अगर यहाँ पे आके थोड़ा सा एक बाउंस भी दे दे, हो सकता है कि मार्केट यहाँ पे आके वापस से it can start going further down. Alright, so we got to be a little careful. So the way I was telling you that there can be two opportunities is that if you are looking for a counter trend opportunity, then this is going to be a long trade in this area here. And अगर आप इस काउंटर ट्रेंड अपॉर्चुनिटी को नहीं लेना चाहते हैं, अगर आपको लगता है कि ये थोड़ी सी हाई रिस्क अपॉर्चुनिटी है या लो प्रोबेबिलिटी लेवल अपॉर्चुनिटी है, what you can do is you can wait for the price to let's say pull back to this supply zone. So let me just show you the level on the chart here. So if you want to go a little bit more with the momentum or more with trend trading, then this is also a level of supply, and prices can easily pull back to this level of supply. Also 2500 being a round number. So 249697 के आसपास आपकी एंट्री हो सकती है, और आपका स्टॉप लॉस जो है वो इस लेवल के ऊपर जाएगा थोड़ा सा, and your target will be this level of demand. Okay, अगर प्राइस पहले डिमांड को छू के ऊपर जाता है, then you can shoot for bigger targets. Otherwise even this target is a good target. तो अगर हम देखेंगे, the short side has a better level or better terms of risk reward than the long level. But these are both trading opportunities, and both of these opportunities can be taken because price is also significantly corrected, and more or less we could expect to see a bounce coming in Hindustan Unilever from this area. So this is the analysis for the week. अगर आपको हमारा analysis अच्छा लगता है, so do not forget to click on the like button. Do subscribe to our channel Sharekhan Education. We will come up with such interesting videos and analysis for your reference. Do give your valuable feedback in the comment section, and do keep liking our videos from time to time. Thank you very much everyone. Have a lovely week, and let's have an exciting week this week with some good trade setups. Take care everyone. See you all next week. Bye-bye.
This should not be treated as a recommendation. Please conduct your own analysis or consult a financial advisor before investing.